emptying the channels of water in the van. Welcome back to the channel today, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a copy of somebody else's video. Now I'm going to be doing what Mel's Van World did quite recently, and that's emptying the channels of water in the van. Now obviously I'm not sure if my channels are actually filled with water or not. I hope that they're not, and I hope this video is rubbish because of that. But if they are filled with water, then be able to demonstrate to you how much water you could be driving around with inside your van all the time. Now, no one wants water inside their van, and we've already sealed up behind the trim with sealant on every single little bung that goes through the bodywork. So if there is any water in there, then I think it's because it wasn't sealed before we got it. But having said that, it is sealed now, but I wasn't aware to actually check and empty the gullies of water because the little drainage holes get filled up with muck and dirt as obviously you're driving along on the road. Now I've got here just an Allen key and a little water container to drain into, just so I can see if there is actually any water in the holes. But I think it's going to be quite obvious based on Mel's video whether or not there is actually any water inside the sills. So let's get started. Now I'm starting from the front of the van. I'm going to work my way back. So I'm just here, under here, and you should be able to see, if it focuses, the first drainage hole, which is just here. Now I can get the Allen key up in there, I'll get my water container underneath, and then let's have a poke around and see if any water comes out. Nope, I think that one was empty. Okay, let's go along a bit. Aha! Here's the next channel. I've just poked it, hopefully it's going to focus, and you can see the water dripping down. That's very interesting. Okay, so you can see there the exhaust for my Chinese diesel heater. Hopefully you can see where it's dripping there. Now I'm going to prod it a bit more. Oh, here we go. Wow, I was sort of in denial that I'd have any problems and that there'd be any water in my van. But look at that. Here it comes. Goodness me. Hope you can see that there. Oh, there we go. Right up in there. Oh! Okay, here we go. That means business now. What a shocker. What a shocker. Oh, it's really coming out now. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I want to check that that hole is properly opened up. Flipping heck. Crikey. This is unbelievable. I'm so thankful to Mel's Van World for this. I was in such disbelief that our van would actually have any water in it. But it goes to show, no matter what you think, it's always worth checking. Look at that. Look at that. That's just from one hole so far. Unbelievable. There we go. We might be finishing now. Flipping heck. Oh, look at that. All of that water from just one hole. That is crazy. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so there's the next one. I'll dig in there. Oh, here we go, straight away. Don't know if you can see that there. Oh. Goodness me. Unbelievable. Now, Mel from Mel's Van World said that he thought he'd gathered about 5 litres of water. And truthfully, I didn't believe him. But now I'm looking at this and looking at the flow coming out of here, out of these box sections. It's just unbelievable. All of that water. It's going to overflow soon over this edge. Well, it's not showing any sign of slowing down, and this thing's about to start overflowing. I'm in total disbelief. What a design flaw from Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz, one of the greatest car engineers, vehicle engineer companies in the whole world. And they get some sort of error. Look, this is going to start overflowing now. Such an error like this. Absolutely incomprehensible. Goodness me. Well, I was going to try and collate all of the water out of the channels, guys. But as you can see, it's already overflowing. So I'm just going to let this carry on draining onto the ground and go and empty the next holes. Unbelievable. Now then, I've just cut the top off this 2 litre water bottle. I am interested to see how much water comes out. I've only done the 2 holes. Already that little red bucket's overflowing. So I'm going to fill that up with this water here. Oh my God, it's filled it up. It's overflowing. Okay, so that's 2 litres alone in just 2 holes. Unbelievable. Look at the colour of that. Ugh. Okay, so I've just checked the other holes in this side and there was no other water. So it was mainly those 2 middle holes in the side of this van that were full of water, just for your reference. I mean, yours might be all of them or none of them, but it's well worth a check. Now I'm going to go around and do the other side. Now then, let's try this one. Second one on this side. The other one didn't have any crap in it at all. So no water came out because it's obviously been able to drain out freely. But let's see if this one's the same. No, this one's empty too, and it actually sounds really hollow. Well, Boris Johnson's certainly full of more crap than this side of the van is. So that's good. Let's go on to the back. Okay, onto the last hole now. Just some dust. Yeah, not much crap in there at all. It's certainly not blocked up. So actually, I feel kind of bad for that last comment. I shouldn't have insulted my van, compared it to Boris Johnson. There's no way my van's full of as much crap as Bojo. Well, there we go, guys. It was mainly on the passenger side that was clogged up and filled up all the holes, so it meant that none of the water could drain out of the channels. It kind of makes sense. When you drive along on the road, it's always the near side that's full of crap and puddles and all sorts of other crap. Usually nearer the middle of the road there's not as much dirt and filth, so it kind of makes sense that there was no blockage on the driver's side. I hope this video is useful, guys. As I said, I totally stole this idea from Mel's Van World. Go and follow him. He's doing some cool stuff in converting his Sprinter as well. But until next time, please like, subscribe, over and out.